In this video, I'll show you how you can add a video to your Squarespace website. So for this, all we need is Squarespace. So go to Squarespace, sign into your account, and click on Edit Site. This will then send you over to this page. Let's see, there you go, where you can edit your website. So click on Edit right there. And then all you need to do is click on the plus icon wherever you want to add a video. And then click on Video right here. You can then choose any of these templates. So click on the one that you would like to use. I'll just go with this one right here. This will then add a section where you can add videos. So you can click right here, click on the edit icon, and you can then use a video URL. So upload your video to YouTube and then copy that link and then paste it in there. So that's pretty much all you need to do to change it, and it's the same for this one. You can use the custom thumbnail if you want to. You can display the caption if you want to, or you can choose to not display the caption, or you can choose to display the caption. You can then write that caption right there. You should then click on apply and it will show up. But this is pretty much how you can add a video to your Squarespace website. So once again, just add this as a section, then go to YouTube, copy your video link. I'll just go with a random video here. So let's say I'll just take one of my own. So click on your video, copy that link, go back to Squarespace, click right there, get rid of that link, and then paste your own YouTube link in there. So right now it's locating the content, and that's it. So right there you can then get rid of that custom URL, and it will then show up. Okay, it's my bad. Let me get rid of that as well. Click apply and there you go. So that's how you can add a video to your Squarespace website. If this video helps you out, leave a like and then I'll see you next time.